Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video, and right now you're looking at the Traxxas Revo. It's been a good 9 months since I had taken this out and drove it around the yard. I finally took it off the door, off the RC door, and I just got done putting fresh fuel in it. And right now I am charging the battery. That's easier for me, just to unplug it that way. And yeah, everything's kind of dusty and cringy looking. You can notice right there, there's cobwebs. I mean, this is yuck. I should never let it go this dirty, but you know, things in life, things happen. So yeah, I am using my GoPro again, and so we can get some footage of this thing running. And right now, like I said, it's charging up. It's only been charging for about 10 minutes at the moment. And then when you walk over here, you'll see I got the radio charging up too. And I got this actually still has a good charge on it, the electric starter. Yeah, and there's my LiPo battery for my Losi MTXL right here. So one of these days I feel like I'm going to be taking this to a baseball field and running it, because around here it's just too freaking loud. And yeah, I'm trying to be a good neighbor, try to keep the noise down. And like I said, a lot of things happened in my life here past couple of months. As you could tell, I painted the floor on that one video in my workshop. I put down almost a whole gallon of this blue paint all over here, and the reason for that is to seal the wood, because I bring the four-wheeler in here while in the winter time. And I want this floor to last a lot longer. Plus it's waterproof and all this good stuff. And plus if I drop a screw, I can find it. That's one of the main reasons, actually. But right now, I'm going to keep this video kind of short. I'm going to go ahead and wait until this thing is fully charged, because I don't want no runaways. That's all I need. And I do not have a fail-safe on this Revo, but I do have it on the Traxxas T-Max. I don't know if I have it hooked up yet or not. I don't believe I do, but I do have it halfway installed anyways. But alrighty, let's go ahead and get this thing charged. Alright, now she's fully charged. Okay, you can tell by the blinking light right there. So I got that all unplugged. Like I mentioned earlier, I have not started this up in a good 9 months or more. Now it's been sitting for quite some time on my door, just waiting to ride again. So we're going to go ahead and try to start it for the first time in a long time. I'm going to go ahead and get everything set. We're going to go ahead and get this GoPro set somehow. Or maybe we'll do it this way. Put it right about there. Oops. Need something heavy here. Usually I have it on my head, but there we go. Hopefully you can see everything. Let me just raise you up just a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. There we go. Alrighty. Get everything out of the way. First things first, we're going to go ahead and prime it up. I was going to heat up the motor like you're supposed to do it. Right now the temperature is 77.5. Maybe I should warm it up a little bit. Let me get the heat gun. Okay, and you guys know that this is not scripted. Try to get everything in real time here. Now it was at 77.5. We're going to go ahead and warm her up. I'm going to try not to burn any plastic. And yes, I put this not 3.1, but this Traxxas 3.3 motor in, brand new. Broke it in. And then after every run, I put after run oil in it. So if I did everything correctly, it should just fire right up. Okay, let's see what that looks like for temperature wise. Oh yeah. 176, so I went up 100 degrees. Get that out of the way. So, let's turn on the radio. This is the Fly Sky IT4S. And let's go ahead and turn on the truck. Alright, so and again, this is electric start. I'm going to go ahead and put it in, and when I start it up, I put my finger over the exhaust to plug it off to get fuel into the carburetor. Okay, there it goes. Look at that, it's starting right up. After 9 months of sitting, so I must be doing something right. Yeah, we'll let it warm up a minute, get everything lubed up, get all the after run oil burned off of it. Meanwhile, we'll go ahead and put the body back on. Ooh, I missed that smell. I love these clip holders. There we go. Ooh, it's getting a little smoky in here. Alright, let's go ahead and get this out in the yard. Okay, hopefully you can see everything. We're going to go ahead and run it. Oh yeah. Nice trail smoke. I haven't even touched that carburetor for a long time. Got the dog toys all over the place. Oh yeah, she's running like a champ. Whoa! Oh, I've been missing the nitro scene. Yes, I have. Hopefully you guys can see everything. I think so. I usually use my phone, but the drive is a pain. Ah, yeah. Like I said, there we go. It's running great. It doesn't matter what RC you have. It's all what you like. Like I said, I started out with Traxxas and fell in love with the RC world. Whoa! There you go, got a little bump right there. Whoa, there we go. Boy, that 3.3 is running good. It's pretty responsive. I mean, I could lean it out a little bit more, but I don't want to mess with it. If it's running, it's running. And this is what I pretty much do, is just run it in the yard. I don't race them. It's just something to kill the time. Which finally I have time. Alrighty guys, well, I'm going to end it here. I hope you liked the video, and I'm back in the RC business. And again, thanks for watching.